Hello everyone. Today we will see how to get rid of turbid water. I live in a country where we have some problems in water sanitation and hygiene. I live in Lebanon, and as you can see, this is my drinking water. The water is very turbid, and even though it's safe to drink, but we don't really feel like drinking this water. So what did I do? I have included, this is my sink, I have included an under sink cartridge filtration system. As you can see, I have two filters, two housings here, and I have included carbon filters, two carbon filters of different openings. The first one, which is this one, this is where the water passes, this is the first stage. I have included a carbon filter of 10 microns, and the second stage I have included a carbon filter of 0.5 micron. And let's see the output. So I will pour some water, and we will see the difference. So I have here a clear water compared to this one. So my water is filtered from suspended solids. Turbidity is mainly caused by small particles, mainly suspended particles. So the carbon filters will remove these particles. I will have a crystal clear water that is safe to drink. Also, a carbon filter will remove chlorine, taste, odor, and obviously it removed the turbidity, the turbid color.